Gonna try and fix this snowblower that is not doing anything when you pull it, or turns out there's an electric start that's not working either. Got inside. They really don't want you to get in there. Fun. Decided to do full maintenance on this and then see what it's doing. So new spark plug, gonna change the oil, put some gas in, see what's happening. Oil change is pretty easy. Just take this guy out and then tilt it back. And this oil is looking pretty beat. Change the oil, spark plug, put new gas in, and fix the primer hose. Still not working. Decided to go a little deeper here. Got the carburetor off, taking it apart. Looks pretty gross. So that might be the problem there. Hard to say, out of my league here. Since I last worked on it, I took the carburetor off, and now I'm gonna see if I can clean this up. See what happens. Alright, I'll put back together